In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to an email using Google Drive. This process is quite straightforward, but can be a lifesaver when you want to share large files that might exceed email attachment limits. We'll walk through each step and give you some helpful tips along the way to make sure you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by opening Google Drive. Simply go to your browser and type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, navigate to the document you wish to attach. If you haven't uploaded the document yet, you can do so by clicking on the New button on the left-hand side and selecting File Upload. This will allow you to choose the file from your computer and upload it to your drive. After the document is uploaded, locate it in your Google Drive. You can either scroll to find it or use the search bar at the top if you remember the file name. Once you've found the document, right-click on it to open a menu. From this menu, select Share. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter email addresses or choose additional sharing settings. But for attaching to an email, we're going to do something slightly different. Instead of sharing directly from the dialog box, look for a chain link icon labeled Copy Link in the bottom right corner. Clicking this will generate a link to your document that you can share. Before you copy the link, however, check the sharing settings. You may want to adjust the link's permissions so that the people you send it to can view, comment on, or edit the document as needed. To do this, click on the drop-down menu next to where it says Anyone with the link. Adjust the permission settings according to your preference, and then click on Copy Link. With your link copied, open up your email account. Whether you're using Gmail or another email platform, compose a new email as you normally would. Fill in the subject line and recipient email address, and then paste the copied link directly into the body of your email. To paste, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Your document is now essentially attached to the email via this link, and recipients can click on it to access the file through Google Drive. Before you send the email, make sure to add a message explaining the context of the link. Let your recipients know that the document is shared via Google Drive and inform them of any particular actions you'd like them to take, like reviewing or providing feedback. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit Send, and you're all done. And there you have it. Sharing documents via Google Drive can be an efficient way to manage file sizes and ensure documents are readily accessible and editable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and I'll be happy to help.